My name is Mr. Arsenault, aka Mr. A, and I will be guiding you through a series of tutorials by Paint.net. So first things first, from your desktop, let's navigate over to the Start menu, click on All Programs, and locate Paint.net. Let's open her up. Now this in front of you is called the interface. The interface is very important because this is where all of the magic happens. In front of you, you'll have four windows: the Tools, History, Layers, and Colors window. We also call these palettes. We call them palettes because you can move them around. Now if for whatever reason you accidentally X out of one of them, or two, or even all of them, there are shortcut keys to make them reappear. F5, F6, F7, and F8 are going to be your friends throughout this program. Alternatively, if you like, you can click on the Window option in the Menus tab, and they're all right there. And with the shortcut key F5, F6, F7, and F8. There we go. Okay, now you should have had a chance to explore some of these tools. Now I won't go over each one of them, but I'll just show you briefly what their properties are and what they're capable of doing. So if you select the paintbrush tool and you start to draw, you'll notice it's actually rather thin. The brush width is number 2, and if you change it, say to number 10, it'll be a little bit bigger, as you can see. Okay, the fill, right now it's set to a solid color, but if we wanted to, we could change it to, say, a diagonal cross, or even, say, some diagonals. And the more you paint, the more the pattern becomes apparent. Okay, so that is the paintbrush. The eraser has similar properties, except instead of having the option of drawing, it has the option of taking away more at a time. Right now we have our brush width set to 10, so if I erase, I can only erase up to a brush width of 10 at a time. If I want to erase my whole screen, I can bump it up to, say, 100, and then I'll erase my whole screen. Just like a squeegee. Now you'll notice that even the white is disappearing, and that is because the white is not actually part of the background. The white is a default color that is painted in so you're able to see what's in the foreground. So as I'm erasing it, if I let go and I start over, I actually have 2 clicks done for my erasing. If for whatever reason I wanted to undo that, I can check out my history panel, and instead of clicking undo all the time or Control Z, I can simply click on my eraser, and as you see, it turns into italicized. And as soon as each one becomes italicized, I go back into my paintbrush, I can undo as many steps as I have done. Now those are your tools, and we'll hopefully see you in the next tutorial of Paint.net, where we will talk about the magic wand. Thanks a lot, guys.